What's up, folks? Doc Aaron here with Dr. Auto Spa right here in Troutville, Virginia. We are so excited about sharing with you this new video and this truck right behind us here. Yes, this is a brand new 2021 Chevy Silverado K1500 with a high country package on it. Beautiful truck indeed, inside and out. We just took things to a whole new level with this package we just installed on it. So the guy was from out of town. As a matter of fact, we serve a lot of clients that come from all over. And anyway, so he wanted to protect his truck and make it easy to maintain moving forward and keep the shine and the gloss locked in for years to come. So we gave him our best service. Ceramic coating this vehicle was a joy. It did take a couple of days to prep it because we had to, it's a brand new vehicle. We treat it like it's got tens of thousands of miles on it. And the paint, even on a brand new vehicle, I'm talking 5 miles on it, right? Can still have flaws and blemishes and things that get stuck into the clear coat. So the process that we take it through is an immaculate transformation, to be quite honest with you, before we even get to the coating step. And then once we get to the coating step, we just simply lock that enhancement in for years to come. Now, the client's going to enjoy a nice, slick, glossy surface, scratch-resistant properties. Bugs can no longer penetrate the clear coat, and super easy maintenance. Because it's so slick and so glossy like this, it's going to deter dirt and grime and things like that from sticking to it. You know what? It's just not going to get dirty as quick. You'll have a simple, easy hand wash routine that he follows maybe once every 2 weeks to 4 weeks, and that'll be about it to maintain it. Putting a booster on it maybe once every 6 to 8 months, something like that. And man, this truck's going to look fantastic for years to come. Yep, no more waxing. Most of it just a rinse and enjoying a nice looking vehicle. You deserve that too. So if you're looking to have something like this done, give us a call, 540-227-0599. Again, 540-227-0599, or drautospa.com. Got some forms there you can fill out and we'll reach back out to you.